Thank you so much for joining us into today's live stream. For those that don't know who I am, my name is Guna. I've been trading for over 4 years now, and what I do in my live streams, especially my YouTube page, is I share with you guys as much information pertaining to price action, and especially I share with you guys any trading opportunities that I am anticipating to take on the day where you guys can just join and learn together, not necessary to take any trades, but to just learn. That is my main goal. Okay, so guys, sit back, relax. Let's get into today's session. Today's session, to be honest, won't be a very long one. I'll let you guys know upfront. The reason being is because the market is currently moving majority on a sideways momentum, and I will show you that in a moment. Now, besides Solana for crypto space, okay. So Solana wise, actually, price I don't think ever will come here. I mean, for this week lah, for me to focus on my buying opportunity. However, Solana is the only cryptocurrency with a very beautiful bullish momentum move towards the upside. And currently, we do have a zone which price is sitting inside as of now. So, depending on how price will react inside of the zone, probably I may enter for a buying opportunity lah. But I will wait and see first how price will start to react. Also, considering we are coming nearby New York session, and this is what is my favorite timing to trade lah, pre New York session. Personally, only. Okay. So I will be waiting to see if I'm able to find out any more details if this is a good entry opportunity or not. If yes, I definitely will be entering for Solana. Okay, so nothing much else to say, guys. Solana is very straightforward, very beautiful, very nice momentum move towards the upside. Okay, now ETH, the boring one. You see, I told you guys, right? Sideways, sideways, sideways. Yesterday was here, and then New York we came down, and then again we moving up. I wouldn't recommend anybody to trade ETH. Please don't trade ETH. ETH has been very, 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 very sad since Saturday. Basically, we're not really moving higher. We're not really moving lower. We're just stuck in the same momentum. I'm not so sure how long we will stuck, but definitely we will eventually move strongly lah, either towards the upside or the downside. This one is very common lah. We understand whenever we are in a sideways momentum, essentially price is collecting power. But the problem is no one knows when the sideways will end. Sideways will only end when the market maker choose to really push in, okay, to really make the market go up or down. So whenever markets are in the sideways, it can go on forever also can, guys. Really, that can happen. So that's why I wouldn't recommend you guys to waste your time to focus anything on ETH or all. So Solana, for to be honest, is the best option lah. Considering we are in a very very healthy and beautiful uptrend, so it's good to probably focus on buying opportunities for Solana. However, Dogecoin also very similar pattern as to ETH. Can you see it? We were in a beautiful bullish momentum. We were in a bullish momentum, very beautiful one. However, when we came into this Asia session onwards, we start to move sideways. Of course, lah, New York here started already the attitude, but Asia, then London, New York, Asia, London, basically we're moving sideways again. Again, this is very common, like I told you guys. Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. Okay, the market will tend to change, especially when towards the end of the year, since we're already heading towards that direction, right? So we will eventually have to change the way how we trade, not in the sense of strategy, but in the sense of certain time zones may change. Okay, if you guys see, so I'm currently showing you guys analysis based on 30-minute time frame. Okay, usually we start on 1 hour, 4 hours. Okay, today 30-minute time frame is because of that change. But personally, like I said, I don't see much of a trading opportunity for crypto space, except Solana. Only Solana. BTC, very obvious lah. Not only here. BTC, you guys know, like we spoke about it already. Look. Okay, you can see it here. All the way here. This is all sideways momentum. So would I recommend you guys to trade BTC? Definitely no. I'm personally waiting it to come inside this zone, because then I probably have a stronger bias on where probably price may hit to. But we're getting very close to it, but we're not really going inside of that zone. normal lah, sideways. We're getting very close by, but we're not really wanting to go inside. To be honest, I don't even think by this week or so I'll be able to get a good entry opportunity for crypto space. I just try to say lah, focus Solana, guys. Solana, Solana is more clearer. Okay. Hopefully lah, it won't start a cyber momentum here and follow all the other three boring crypto space. Hopefully. But so far, Solana looks promising. So if you guys would like to focus on any crypto space, I will recommend Solana personally. Okay, so that's it for crypto. Let's move on to forex side. So ADSD, same thing lah. We came very close by to my potential entry opportunity for a buy for Asia session today. Okay, obviously we moved away from this direction, but I still will. My target has not been taken out yet. I still will hold this certain potential trading opportunity. I am still waiting for price to potentially come inside of this level to potentially push price higher. Potentially only lah, because I still need to wait even when price comes inside of the zone. So I still need to see, right? I still need to understand if bulls are really interested or not. It seems that way lah because we can see the aura of bulls surrounding this area. Hence why price is still moving away, but we need it to come down lah. Let's see. Because now it's already Wednesday. We still have 2 more days. But if this happens on Friday, definitely I won't be entering this trade. I will enter on Monday. So most probably Monday only we will see that push towards the upside lah. For AUD, USD, we also have 2 targets here. So essentially the trading idea did not change yet. Okay, coming back to this one, to AUD CAD. This one I'm not sure, guys. I will get it by this week or maybe next week. Maybe most probably maybe next week lah. Because we analyzed it basically here. Okay, but this target, thank you. This target has already been taken out lah. Yesterday, I believe. Yeah, yesterday already taken out, and then today we're starting to push even higher for AUDCAD. So the likelihood for price, okay, to do this week, I mean within these few days, not cannot happen. Definitely can happen. But if that happens, means I also don't want to focus on buy because so aggressive bears are coming in. It's a bit scary if you want to go against like that kind of power of bears, starting to move towards the downside. Hi teacher, hello, thank you so much for joining the live stream. So yeah, I prefer to see a lot more healthier, calmer way down. So definitely if I'm hoping for that, definitely this trading opportunity will not be for this week, but it will be for next week or the week after that. So AUD can, I will just keep this chart this way, and then when it comes to this section, then we will potentially focus on the buying opportunity. Euro CAD. Remember yesterday I told you guys I want to find for potential selling opportunities inside the zone. Guess what? New York session never came inside the zone, but we moved down. Not very far. I wouldn't say, oh, we moved so far down. No. If we move to the zone, then probably yes. This would be a very nice risk to reward. Okay, easily 1 to 2. I can get in a smaller time frame. Easily I can get 1 to 2, 1 to 3 also can. But price did not come inside of the zone yesterday. Hence, I did not enter this potential selling opportunity. Nevertheless, if you guys, anybody entered this, okay, yesterday, congratulations to you. But I wouldn't recommend to keep holding, okay? Even though there are rooms where potentially price may fill up, this is still a zone where there is a chance where price may want to come back and retest this level prior to a move down or even break through and just continue pushing higher. This can happen. So I would recommend you guys to hold any selling opportunities if you've entered from yesterday. Currently, you guys would have been in profit. Just close off the profits and then wait for other potential selling or buying opportunities based on how the market will react within this zone. Okay, last but not least, guy, NZD same thing lah, same thing. We are very close. Okay, very, very, very close by. Similar like AUD USD, the concept. I'm just waiting. The zone is here, guys. The zone is here. So the closest we've been is on Monday. Yeah, Monday. So Monday is the closest. All the way up to now, at least Wednesday we're really moving up lah. So just imagine this move here. Okay, this range roughly lah. Okay, If this range is what Asia can do, okay, control V, okay. If New York does the same, let's say lah, starting from here, can you see? Definitely we can reach. Definitely, New York can reach if New York wants to move towards the upside lah. If that happens, probably I may potentially enter this trading opportunity today or tomorrow, depending on what I see. Because if let's say New York session, the price reach this level around 12 a.m., the time all I don't trade. I told you guys today I don't trade. Maximum also until 11 p.m. for New York session, because after that the volume really slows down a lot. The market tend to be a little bit unpredictable, because of the volume being lost, right? So personally, I do not trade after 12. If that is the case, I will most probably check tomorrow during Asia session. And then if there's an entry opportunity, I might enter or pre-New York session tomorrow. Definitely one of the two will show me something tomorrow. Lah. Considering we are already in the zone, it either can be respecting this level for a selling opportunity, or vice versa. We could break this level and then focus on buys also. That is why it's nice to draw zones. Because if you understand how to identify zones, right? If this happen, okay lah, you go with your buyers, fine. We can go for sales, right? However, let's say if this doesn't happen, oh no, price broke above already. What do we do? You can focus on buys, but wait for the retest. When price comes inside this level, if you start to see bulls kick in, then you guys can go for buying opportunities. Zones are very very nice lah, actually, to be honest, really a great trading way, for especially is very friendly for beginner traders, considering that you don't have to be very how to say stressed when you are analyzing something, especially when you're beginner. You will take a lot of effort, which is a good thing, to analyze a certain trade. And then you feel like when the trade, for example, break your zone, okay, it never go down, you keep on going up, you feel very frustrated because you analyze so long, then you feel like, yeah, it never go according to my plan. But if you have zones though, whatever you plan, you can plan two ways. So you're not really fixated to one directional bias. You really are moving with the trend. So that's a very, how to say, powerful way to trade, and at the same time, healthy way to see the market. Because when you train yourself, especially for newbies, right, to see the market, that the market must move how you want it to see, you will get disappointed a lot, because the market don't do that, right? The market move on its own. You have its own way lah. It's like market makers, the people that actually move the market, right? We are retail traders, so we just follow. But when you trade based on zones, you will have a lot more healthy mindset, knowing that anything could go wrong. But if something went wrong, you will know what you can do next. You will always have a plan B, essentially. So my advice, if you guys are maybe struggling in trading, or maybe you are new, try trading with zones. Understand how to draw them. Try trading with zones. So if you're predicting a sell, if the zone gets broken from your sell, you can still aim for buy, because the zone won't go away. The zone can still be used time and time and time again. Okay? Like that's basically my advice now for you guys for today. Guys, that's it, guys. Literally, that's it. Okay, lah. We speak about gold for a while. Okay, so you see, can you see gold come down? This is what I mean by why I don't like to trade all time high. You see, if you want to speak about trend, right? Okay, we are very bullish, right? Gold very bullish, very bullish. Confirm, we all can focus on buys. Imagine how many people keep on buying here, guys. Okay, there's a lot of SLs here and here. Okay, a lot. Of course, below here also got, definitely, but here and here, a lot of SLs. Okay, of people. When you see price, sorry, I don't know why I removed it. Okay, price came all the way up, give these people and these people all profits, and then one shot it take this guy out. He went up. Whoever was still holding here, he take him out also. Whoever was buying here, he take him out also, and then he start to move towards the upside. This one I also cannot predict. You know why? Because I said all-time highs. All-time highs, we don't know. We are in a premium. or discount. Most probably sure premium. Definitely premium because all-time highs. Definitely we are inside of a premium. And we should not be focusing on buying opportunities when we are in a premium. If you guys trade extremely small time frames, maybe M5, M1, okay, can lah. You guys can find that scalping opportunities if you want to, trade for buying opportunities. However, it is always best to wait, like I said, for these kind of things to happen. A push towards the downside, a direction. So at least we understand right now. Finally, we are starting to see price have some form of reaction. Okay, we have one zone here. Okay, of course, this is a lack of data, definitely a lack of data, but you can just consider this as one zone. Just consider it for now. Okay, it is not a proper zone. I'm saying this again. It is not. All right, because it's literally just two candles we are using as of now. But that was the highest point the candle went as of now, based on the body. Okay, so you can draw it based on the candle, based on the body. It actually just depends on that individual trader on your back testing. So when you back test how you draw your zones, then you will see in terms of the, I don't want to say win rate, I want to say in terms of how the trade play out. Does it play out better when you draw close to the body, or does it play out better when you draw the wicks alone? So that one you need to back test. You need to see, understand based on you. Every trader is individual, right? You guys all are unique. So for me, it's the body lah. Just you guys want to know lah. Just the body must touch the body. So this is essentially the highest point before we start to see some form of rejection. So coming back to the concept about zone, if we want to focus on buys, okay, you see this one price came down. Right now we broke above. When you come back inside the zone, if we start to see bulls, can we buy? In context wise, can, but I wouldn't because all-time highs. But yes, we can buy here if we start to see bulls. Where can we aim for? Here, guys, don't aim higher than that. Of course, we can break through. Definitely, we can go even higher. We can go, guys, to the Jupiter. Also, we can go. But the thing is, we don't know. Okay, all-time highs. We don't know. We really don't know. To be honest, this can be a start of a downtrend. Did you guys think that way? Did anybody had this doubt that potentially this could be a downtrend coming back to this zone here, which we had? So probably this could happen. Yeah, this could happen. Breakthrough. This could happen also. Then from here, maybe we can see a move towards upside, like this. Here, then we start to see a move towards upside. A powerful one. This could happen. We never know. That is why we wait for reaction. We wait to see rejections. We wait to see how price will react inside of certain zones and levels. If price show bullish momentum, we can buy, but to the closest zone. If price breaks through, what do? Wait for the retest. Comes here, if show bearish momentum, where can we sell to? Closest to this zone, but I would recommend you to find liquidity levels. Don't focus only on the zone because liquidity is enough to turn price around. Price doesn't have to necessarily go to zones. Zones are just there to give us how to say what's the word? Suddenly I forgot the word already. I forgot the word already. Yeah, sorry guys, I can't remember the word already. It was a very common word lah. Something like target lah. Just understanding of the probability of where price can potentially go to. That's all, but not necessarily you have to go there. Remember, trading, there's no such thing as have to. Okay, no such thing as have to. You see this fair value gap here? Okay, this fair value gap created by the powerful momentum, right, move towards the upside. You see this pullback, did it even touch the fair value gap? No, but we understand price don't like, market don't like fair value gaps. They don't like gaps, right? But why you never fill up it? Why you never even mitigate or even just fill a little bit of the gap? You move all the way upward. Why? It's because price never said they have to do it. It is just an understanding of price action. You see here, this one all is fair value gap. Small one, but fair value gap. This was made on the 2nd of September. Okay, the price can I fill it up yet? No. Let's go bigger time frame. I'll show you some more. Okay, look at this. Let's go lower. Let's go lower. Look at this. This is fair value gap created on the 1st of March 2024, last year, the price kind of fill up? No. Until now also no. Already over a year. Going to be 2 years really if consider next year. Huh? Okay, it's all fair value gap. Okay. This one is never fill up, see. Why? Fair value gaps what? This is why, guys. Okay, I just want to show you, not to scare you. Maybe you guys now thinking like, Alamak, now I cannot even rely on fair value gaps. Not that. I'm not showing this to scare you that you cannot rely on fair value gaps. Or I'm showing this to let you understand the concept that nothing is a must in trading. Okay, if we usually do our back testing, we know okay the trade usually will go to 1 to 2, but it's not a must. Usually, the probability is very high. Where the way we trade, we are good to take 1 to 2 take profits. We are good to take, but it's not a must. If it doesn't, don't blame the market. The market, remember, you don't have to do anything. He can do whatever he wants. He want to fill out the fair value gap. He don't want to fill out the fair value gap. He want to go to the order block. He don't want the order block. He want to go to this zone. He don't want to go to this zone. Market can do anything. Treat the market as a person with emotions. Sometimes he's angry. You see all red candles very strong. Sometimes he's very happy. All green candles, he go all the way up. Okay, sometimes he feel got gaps or whatever, or he itchy or what. That's why he have a pullback. He go and itch the gap and then he move away. You can think of it as a person. He don't have to do anything we ask him to do. Basically, he's moving on his own. We just have to adapt based on understanding price action and the way how price is reacting to certain levels in the market. That is all what we are doing. Okay. So for today's session, guys, I won't be sharing with you guys any real opportunities because, like I said, market overall this one all I'm still waiting lah. Close by, almost there. I think our NZD most probably we will see an opportunity by tomorrow. This one, okay. So I'm really looking forward to this potential opportunity. But other than that, like crypto space, all very ugly, guys. Please don't focus on crypto space except potentially Solana. But I also depend. What does it depend on? Reaction. How price will what? React within this level. Okay? And what do we focus on? Buying opportunities. Why? Because it's a bit obvious. Price is very bullish. Okay, we're seeing a bullish momentum. Therefore, we want to ride the trend towards the upside. Where is the probability of price potentially maybe heading to? Closest form of liquidity, of course, here, just here. We have a very close form of liquidity here. Don't mind the arrows. This one all I add for fun. I like to play around with new stuff. I mean new stuff means new tools. Why I play around with them is because for the sake of videos lah. Like I want to make videos for you guys or whatever. So I want to learn like more fun things to use. That's all. Okay, so we have another target here. Maybe we can find one more target. Okay, now we have one more here. Okay, targets. Targets. Is this close by? Oh, this is very close by. Then I think we don't need this one. Yeah, because they're very close by. Okay, so these two is essentially our targets that we can potentially be aiming for. All right, if you guys were wondering lah, for Solana side. Okay, so guys, I think I'll end the live stream here. I hope it was insightful for you as it was for me. I said it'd be very short once. You see, I didn't realize until 24 minutes. Sometimes I just enjoyed a lot speaking to you guys. So if you guys would like to learn also how I do my analysis, okay, how I trade, everything lah. Basically, I do have my own personal 6 weeks course whereby even if you're a total newbie to trading, you have no idea how to trade, within 6 weeks time you'll be able to do the same analysis that I do day to day based on my live stream and on my YouTube page. So I tailored the course to the point that you should only be focusing on things that can work for you and really just forget about everything else. Okay, just learn what I teach you, keep on practicing that with the support of me, of course, and then you will definitely get there. But it depends if you really have passion for trading and you're willing to put in the work because trading is easy in the sense just buying and selling, but it's extremely difficult because it's related to the mind. Okay, trading is not difficult. Going against your mind is very difficult. Your mind will confuse you, confuse me, confuse everybody. It's all about the mind. All right. So, guys, thank you so much again for joining today's live stream. I appreciate every single one of you. Do consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already, and I will catch you all in the very next live stream. Stay safe, traders. Goodbye.